Okay, so this time we're going to be finding the volume, and as we can see here we have a cone. So we're going to look for volume of a cone. The formula I will use, we're going to go down to where it says volume and we're looking for the word cone. So as you can see, it's right there, and if we go down to the side, we have volume is equal to 1/3 area of the base times the height. And as you can see here, for example, if we're looking at this cone here, we have a base the shape of a circle. So we need to find the area of that circle to find the area of the base to use on our formula. So we go to the circle section, and area of a circle is found by area is equal to pi radius squared. So now as we've dealt with cylinders, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to draw our base. And a reminder, we have here, this is a diameter. We have to divide by 2. And this is a radius. And if we divide by 2, that's when we technically get our radius. That's whenever we go from a diameter to a radius. So as you can see here, we're given the center of the circle and we're given it the whole way through. We're given 8. So we need to remember to take 8 and divide it by 2 to get 4. And 4 is going to be our radius that we will be using. So when we find area of the base, we're going to focus on finding the area of that circle, and we have our formula here to remind ourselves. So area is equal to pi radius squared. So I'm ready to plug that in. Area is equal to pi 4 squared. So now here we go. We're going to use our calculator and we're going to type in second pi 4 squared just like we see it. Click enter and we have 50.27. Area is equal to 50.27. Okay, so I'm going to make sure to keep track of this number since it belongs with my area of the base. Now I'm ready to move it along. I'm going to say uppercase B, which is the area of the base, is 50.27. Now our height, the height is from the base all the way to the tip of the cone, which in this case it's 9. Okay, now we're going to get to the last step, which is to find our answer. So we're going to write down our formula. Volume is equal to 1/3 area of the base times the height. We're going to substitute our values, so that means that we're going to substitute our uppercase B and our H with our numbers that we got. So volume is equal to 1/3. Area of the base was 50.27 and the height was 9. So now, as you see, we have everything listed out for us right here. We're going to do the same exact thing and basically copy down our numbers that we have here on our calculator to find our answer. So here we go. We're going to first type our 1/3 by putting 1 divided by 3. Then we're going to put times 50.27 times 9. Enter. We have 60.81, and that will be our answer to the volume of this cone that we have right here. So we're going to write that down, 60.81, and our units is going to be inches cubed, and that's our answer right there. So the only difference is that you're technically dividing by 3 when you multiply these two numbers by multiplying times the 1/3. So let's do the next one. The next one we have here is going to be we're going to draw our base again. So our base is down here. We're going to draw that base. We're given from the center to the edge of the circle, which is 7. That's our radius. So we're going to find uppercase B now by finding area of the base, pi r squared. So area is equal to pi and the radius is 7. There's no need to divide, guys, because we already have half of it. We only divided up here because we had the whole entire diameter. So when we're given the radius, there's no division. So we're going to say area is equal to pi 7 squared. Area is equal to, and we're going to use our calculator here. So we're going to type in second pi 7 squared. Enter. And we get 153.94. So 153.94. So we need to keep track of this number because it belongs with our uppercase B, which is our area of the base. That is going to be 153.94. Now the height here. The height again is from the base to the tip of the cone, so that height is 12. We're going to keep record of that. Now we're going to write down our formula again. Volume is equal to, and we're going to say 1/3 area of the base with uppercase B, then times our height. So we're going to say volume is equal to 1/3. Area of the base we found was 153.94 times 12, our height. So now we're going to grab our calculator and we're going to type that in. So we're going to say here, 1 divided by 3. So that's our 1/3, 1 divided by 3 times 153.94, which is here, times 12. Enter. So our answer is, or the volume is 615.76, and our units that we're using is over here, feet. So we're going to say feet cubed, and that's our answer right there.